Good morning, boys. I am Madan Sharma. Gurukul Shikshaalaya decided to provide the online educations for the children. During lockdown, our Gurukul Shikshaalaya director has decided that we should provide the online educations for the every children of the Gurukul Shikshaalaya. Since today I am going to teaching you about the brief knowledge of history. And the first chapter name is When, Where and How. It means since today I am going to providing you the brief educations of history. And this chapter is related for the class 7th students. And I hope that all the students of class 7 they get the benefits to my lecture. Now, just I am going to teaching you about the brief knowledge of history for the class 7. Before the start the chapters, I want to deliver some speech about the history. And in these chapters, we study about the period of history. According to historian, there are three types of history. It means ancient history, medieval history, and modern history. And we also study in these chapters the importance of ancient history, importance of medieval period, major development of the medieval period, and sources of history, and many more. In these chapters, we study about also the monuments, temples, forts, and places. And we also study in these chapters biogeographic and archaeological systems of our history, and the many types of also the resources of history. And to help these resources, we know about the history and what is the and how many sources to know the history. Also I study in these chapters. And at last in these chapters has given the many types of the questions also, as far as has given the multiple choice of questions and some brief questions and some long questions has given also. So ready to listen to Madan Sharma. And since today regular, I would provide you a brief video, and I hope that every children of class 7th they get the benefits to watch our video. So once again, thanks to all of you, and the class has adjourned. Thank you. I would meet you once again next episode. Thank you. That's all.